The best source for do follow backlinks. Backlinks Explained, Part 2. Hi guys, I'm Nat Ryan with Internet Marketing DIY. Most people want the search engine bots to stay on their website rather than follow a link to yours. That's why most backlinks are no follows. So in order to find good quality do follow backlinks, you need to link to website directories. Website directories have the sole purpose of linking to other sites and encouraging the bots to follow those links. Let's take a look at how to find directories online. So what you should do is look up on Google search website directory, and when you do, you can scroll down a bit. What you're looking for is web directories. Here's one that says 21 web directories, but let's choose this other one here that says 30 free directory submission sites to drive crazy traffic. So I like to right click and open up in a separate tab. I've already done that because my computer's being abominably slow today, so I've done that. And when you do, you scroll down to get your listing, and it's listed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So I've opened up all free things and free PR web directory in separate tabs as well. So there's one of them, and there's the other one. What I'd like to do at that point is to click on their submit link or submit website link to see what they're offering in the way of paid versus free inclusion. So for all free things, theirs is, it's hard to see because it's a bit small, but they have two choices here. One, express featured review for $9.95, and standard review is free. And then for this one, which is the free PR web directory, they have a couple of different choices here. You can pay $9.99 a year or free. So that's entirely up to yourself. Don't feel pressured to pay for getting your website listed on a directory. Just know that usually it takes longer for your website to get accepted if you go with free. That's just the way it works, especially with general website directories like the one we've been looking at so far. But there is another kind of directory that you might be able to get listed on as well, and usually it's faster to get listed with them, free or paid. I'm talking about directories that are more specific to your industry or niche. Type in your industry niche, plus the word business, plus any of these. Warning, this is tedious work. It takes time to look these up, but let me walk you through an example so you can see what I mean here. Okay, so as an example, let's say that we're in the landscaping business. So we type in landscaping business plus a submit site into Google search. Then we're going to scroll down and make sure that we find some web directories instead of just somebody's ideas or their favorites. So I found one down here called, in number 5 position, website directory useful websites. So I opened that up in a separate tab. Here they are, Begonia Garden Center. Now on the surface of things, this looks okay. Website directory, free link submission at the top of the page here, and also suggest a website to list here. So it looks good. Let's have a closer look by clicking on this suggest a website to list here link. I did that. It's opened up in a separate tab here. Suggest website form looks okay until I come down and it says reciprocal URL. I'm like, what? So I read a little bit further and it says, please use the following details to include us on your website. So they'll link to you if you link back to them. This is more of a link trade. Please note that not all backlinking sources expect you to link back to them. This is pretty unusual. You may want to go with it. If you found something like this, I would just vet that company or that website. Make sure that they are decent and that you like them, right? You think they're good before you would link back to them. Okay, you found some website directories to get listed on. That's wonderful. But there's one more step to go through before you actually list your site on those directories. Evaluating if linking to them is going to be any help to you as a website owner. And that's what I'm going to show you in my next video. How to evaluate the directories you found to make sure that having a backlink with them is going to benefit you and your website. Stay tuned for that. Or better still, guys, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss it. While you're at it, if you like this video, hit the like button below, and if you'd like me to cover something specific, please leave me a comment. Bye for now, guys. Thanks for watching.